To place a call, the first thing you'll want to do is to ensure that your input device is set up. You can do this by clicking on the headset, and you can choose if you want to be on headset or speakerphone mode. You can also check your device settings. In here, I have my speaker and microphone as my default from my computer, but if I want to override that, I simply choose my headset and press OK. Similarly, if you want to use the speakerphone, you just choose speakerphone mode. You can dial a number just by using your keypad on your computer. And then you just press the connect button.
Welcome to Telair. Calls may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
You can hang up by hitting the end call
For
button.
sales,
You can also press on the keypad if you wish. And hit the dial button again.
welcome to Telair. Calls may be recorded for quality and training purposes.
As we have got to an
For
IVR,
sales, press 1. For support,
we
press
can
2.
press these
For billing
buttons.
and finance, press 3.
I want to
For
speak to
updates
sales.
on in-flight orders, press 4.
And now sales will call.